Hello, one and all. My name is Roopak Saini, and today I am here to talk about an important topic, which is mastering the why, using business architecture to drive scope. Now, have you ever wondered, working on a project as a BA, where you gathered all the requirements, but you still felt something was missing? Now, that's because requirements tell us what to build, but not always why we are building it. Now, as business analysts, if we focus only on requirements, we risk solving the wrong problem, and that too perfectly. Now that's where business architecture comes in. Now business architecture helps us understand the bigger picture, the organizational goals, capabilities, value streams, and basically how everything connects. So instead of jumping straight into requirements, we start by asking a few questions. What business capability are we trying to improve? Which part of value stream is broken? And most importantly, why does this matter to the business? Let's take an example. Let's say stakeholders ask for a new customer portal. A requirement-focused approach would define features like login, dashboards, reports, and whatnot. But a business architecture approach will basically ask a few questions like, is the real problem poor customer experience, or slow service delivery, or lack of visibility, or what is the actual problem that we are trying to solve? So instead of just building the portal by gathering the requirements, you are basically trying to get down to the real problem and defining the real scope. So next time you get the requirements, pause and ask yourself, what's the why behind this? Do we know the why? Because when you master the why, you don't just gather the requirements, you drive meaningful outcomes by solving the actual business problems. Now be an empowered business analyst. Thank you.